Hi. Do you know about this internet cafe? Open now? Don't know.
Really? It's open.
Open, okay. Okay, thank you.
Be careful.
Thank you. Yes, I will be careful. Maybe dog inside. Oh, joke, of course. Internet cafe. Excuse me, where is internet cafe? It's upstairs. Okay, okay. Thank you. Oh, Wi-Fi, you see. Piso Wi-Fi. How to connect? Rates 1 peso, 5 peso, 10 peso, 20 peso. Interesting device. Like handmade. You see, here, piso Wi-Fi. Okay. And this one's internet cafe in Angeles City. I will ask first, allowed to take video or not? Good afternoon. Can I take video? Can I take video here? You, not problem? Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Can I ask you?
What?
Because most of my subscribers asking where internet cafe in Los Angeles.
Oh,
It's only one I see.
yeah.
Don't have another. In Angeles City, only one internet cafe here.
This is the only one internet cafe here that's so clean,
Yeah, I see. Very good.
very comfortable to
Yeah,
play.
mhm.
And we have a lot of
And rates also.
Yeah.
If
Here,
have.
here's a
Here rates. Okay, thank you very much. So this is rates of. You see, 1 hour, 25 peso. 3 hours, 70 peso only. If membership, 50 peso, 2 hours. Non-membership, 1 hour, 30 peso. Print service also have. You can print also. This is website. And you see, very comfortable. It's not cold, not hot, with aircon. New computers, displays also. Yeah. And this time now about 6 p.m. Wednesday. Not so many people, but I think in weekend many people play. You see, have headset also. They play in the games. You see, you can play online with each other also. Before, it's maybe 30 years ago, I own 5 internet cafe in my city. 5 internet cafe, but of course now already new technology, another computers. Can drink coffee also here. Very good. Have CR also. So this is internet cafe, really very nice. I will show to you CR rooms now. See, it's also for coffee. This is CR. Open. See, it's not small, it's good. Comfortable CR. Smell good also. Have exhaust fan. Nice, nice. Even can take shower. No, of course in Filipino style, but it's okay also. It's no problem. All new. Okay, switch off. Okay, good.
like
Mm-hmm.
like here.
CyberFort Gaming Hub.
Yeah.
In Hungary have location. Okay, I post this is
This is the page.
this is Facebook
Yeah, Facebook.
Facebook
page.
page. Okay, maybe someone want to buy. Waiting area, I don't know what is this. Ah, it's therapy. I don't know what is this therapy. Maybe medical. So you know location is location near 7-Eleven. This is 7-Eleven. And you can see also in description of the video location, Google location. Thank you for watching.